Ring ring.
Hello, good day. This is Silvio from Warriors Staff Agency. How may I help you?
Could you recall my flight, please?
Sure, sir. May I just have your record number, please?
844 CB.
Eight. Okay, that is 844CB. To be spelled as 544 Charlie Delta. Is that right, sir?
Yes, that's right.
What about,
Can you have recall, please?
so this is flight for Encarnacion Family, sir. Last name Encarnacion. To be spelled as Echo, Nancy, Charlie, Alpha, Romeo, Nancy, Alpha, Charlie, India, Oscar, Nancy. The given name to be spelled out as Kilo, LE, Lima, Eco, Western. It has confirmed flight via Philippine Airlines Flight 324 Yankee class on July 28, Manila to Singapore, departing Manila at 10:30 in the afternoon, arriving at Singapore at 16:15 in the afternoon of the same day. He also has a return flight via Philippine Airlines Flight 324 Yankee class on August 2, Singapore to Manila, departing Singapore at 15:30 in the afternoon and arriving Manila at 19:15 or 7:15 in the evening, same day. To be taken on July 28.
Hmm.
Hello, good day. This is Carl from Warriors Agency. How may I help you?
Could I have a recall of my flight, please?
Sure, sir. May I have record your locator, please?
5II 9YC.
Okay, that's 5 ILYZ. To be spelled as 5 India India, 9 Yankee Zulu. Is that right, sir?
Yes, that's right.
What about?
Can I have a recall, please?
So this is a flight for Ilaba, Philippine Eastern. Last name Ilaba, to be spelled as India Lima, Alpha Bravo Alpha. And given name Griffin, to be spelled as Hotel, India Lima, Victor India, Nancy Whiskey. He has confirmed flight at Philippine Airlines Flight 300 Yankee class of on July 25, Manila to Singapore, departing Manila at 9:30 in the morning and arriving at Singapore at 1:15 in the morning at the same day. He also has a return flight via Philippine Airlines Flight 1513 Yankee class on July 13, Singapore to Manila, departing Singapore at 12:30 in the afternoon, arriving Manila at 4:15 in the afternoon the same day, to be ticketed on July 25.